Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is that time of the season. It is my Decocrated unboxing. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting for this box. It is the summer box. The summer box, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this, see what neat stuff I got for this month, for this season, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how I decorate with it. So I probably might do 2 clips. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm showing you guys what I got as the first start. This box is heavy. Alright guys, so first and foremost, if you guys hear little gunshots and things like that, my husband's playing games in the background, so please don't pay it any mind. Okay, so it comes with, of course, the little booklet. As far as I remember, the last season was my first box, so this is my second box, and it's called Welcome to Summertime. Alright, so it has different products in here. I don't want to open it up too much because I want to be spoiled on what's in there. So all of it is going to be a surprise for me. And knowing this is like a little slip in, so that way you can use for one of the pieces. So first box, let's see. I'm so excited. What is this? Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my god, this is nice. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Ideas. This is really nice. So obviously you guys can tell this is a nice little accent piece that you can put on your wall. You can actually, oh my god, this is really pretty. This is so pretty. Where's the booklet? So let's look in the booklet. Let's see what ideas that they have put into place for this piece. So, so it looks like they put it here and combined it with last summer's stack of books, which I actually have right here. Last spring that just passed, stack of books. Let's see if we have any ideas that they put with it. Oh, here we go. They put it up on the shelf, right? Also along with last spring's the picture artwork, right? Same thing here. Oh my god, this is really, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this. I already got ideas on where I want to put it. So let's see. I'm gonna put this on the side. Next box, guys. Oh, MG, how cute. Look how cute this little clock is. This is like a cute little table standing clock that you can use. I mean, I love it. I love it. I have like a bookshelf that I could already put it in, thinking about how I can redo this section and incorporate this. Like, I already look at that. Like, that will look perfect right there. You know, so I've already got the ideas flowing and how am I gonna use this clock. It's a very pretty accent and it's different. It's out of the ordinary, you know. So this is item number 2. how how cute. Item number 3, guys. We're gonna have bugs on our wall. So I think this is adorable. This is absolutely adorable. Not sure what I'm gonna use it for yet, but this is so cute. And it kind of represents summertime, you know? So I think this is a really nice little accent. This is something I could also incorporate on my bookshelf as well. So I mean, in the next clip, I think I'm gonna switch it up. Next clip, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I decorate with these, okay? And I may or may not use all of those products in here, but just, I mean, even if I don't use it now, I can always use it for a different season. I mean, I can see usefulness out of this, you know? I was just picturing, because my whole theme right now is like that yellowish, that yellow tropical theme or whatever. And this one actually would have looked nice with it because of the fact that it's a bee. All right, this is the 4th product. Love us here. Look at this, guys. So this is actually a shelf that you can put on the wall. Look at that. It's a shelf you put on the wall, and you can actually put accents and decorative things on it. That's actually not a bad idea. It is not a bad idea at all, and I didn't even think about that. It's actually a great idea to put this up on the wall and have certain accents sitting in there. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I work my magic here. I'm gonna show you guys how I work my magic. But this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this, guy. It's a whole shelf. And it comes with the 2 things you, I don't know if it comes with the screws. No, I didn't see the screws in there, but yeah, this is nice. This is an actual shelf. So this is how I use this here. Look at that. So I got a really beautiful woven basket, and I don't know what's in here. Shake. Oh yes, a nice pillowcase. Look at that. Has the blues on one side, the blues on the other. My theme is actually going to be this year, like this middle turquoise. Well, it's like in between this blue. So I might even use this. I see myself using this, and even then, this blue would still look good with it. I might try to incorporate it somehow into the decor. But I love this. I just think it's different. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, I'm excited to do some different things with my living room with these products. I mean, come on, this is I'm really impressed with what I got. So we have the basket that I got, the pillowcase, which I feel like I'm definitely going to be using. The shelf, right? I think that's it. This cutest clock. I'm going to put that in there. The little bee. And the stand. Oh my god, I'm happy with the stuff that I got, guys. I must say this is a really great box. It's a really great box. I can't wait to start decorating and using the products that are in here. And I hope you guys enjoy what I do with them. Stay tuned for the next clip so I can show you guys exactly how I decorated with these products. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I am back. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how I decorated with the Decocrated box items. So you guys know that I had the clock as one of my items, and the pillowcase was another one of the items. So on my console, as you guys can see, I incorporated the clock and the pillowcase. I made the pillowcase like a runner. So instead of you don't have to use it as an actual pillowcase. It can be a nice accent to something. So I actually used the pillowcase to give this this section here a little bit of accent for the color theme that I have for the summer. And I made it like a little a little bit of like a runner accent hanging down, and then you have the clock. I didn't turn the clock on yet, but I thought it looked super cute in that area right there. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I love how it came out, and as you guys know from last Decocrated unboxing, I actually used these picture frames were from that collection, so the spring collection. All right, so here you have it. This is 2 of the items. I'm going to show you guys what I did with the other 3. So here we have the other, it really is 4 items. So what I did here was I added a shelf. I added a shelf on the wall, right above my, I always call them my drums, right above my drums. I added the shelf on the wall. I thought it would look perfect in this area, especially next to my, my wall art, right? So in between the bookshelf, and I love the way that it turned out, right? So I put the shelf on the wall, I drilled it into the wall, I put the accent, I got this, you guys saw from my unboxing, I put that there, and I even actually used the little ant, the insect. So I was like, you know what, let me just keep the theme flowing, right? And then you guys also know I got the baskets. I thought it would have been a cute idea to have a little bottle filled with flowers with the basket inside a basket, and like I said, the colors flowed so nicely with my theme. So I was just like, this is perfect. I ended up using all of the items in this box for my decor this season, which I am so happy about and I love. But yeah, so for this specific box, my summer box, you guys can see I used all of the items for my decor: the shelf on the wall, the 2 accent pieces, the basket, the clock, and the pillowcase. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed.